Family, kado kami pantar ning kang sama kadam deh donatum. Non bang ke nilitum sitami kabi youth festival sertalin ningkan kapali dun populo non bang ke kedam populo yo donatum yo latih ang bang tayo idun populo. Hello. Hello. Stop tong cho thai din mặt thang. Oh. Dah tenang deh thang. Jangan ke dun madun dah. Dun po. Nana bang ke kita populo yo donatum yo. Kalau ke hang solo lah bang ke nili otul donatum idun populo nili tumta yo. Ala ke nili iklo nili tipi lo. Toh nang ngomong ang dede. Mo dak li ros tami he nang ditum pantanang nang pon bompo. Damang maho. Damang ma thang. Thang damang ma. Ata.
Kardom. Good evening, respected judges, and to all the lovely people present here. I am a 26 years old lady from Hamren, West Karbi Anglong. My name is Serding Kropi, and my qualification is MA 3rd semester. I am to become a teacher, and my hobbies are singing, listening to music. Last but not the least, don't be afraid to fail, but be afraid not to try. So thank you.
Kardom Paralangso. My name is Delanrong Pipi, and I am your contestant number 22. I am from Hanjang Langso, and I am a teacher by profession and a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. My hobbies include dancing, listening to music, and finding solace in
Langso. With a dream in my heart and passion in my soul, I am your contestant number 9, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Zoology at Devraj Roy College. And who you are and the uniqueness you carry. Last but not the least, one message I have for everyone attending this Mega Karbi Youth Festival on the occasion of the 50th, that is the Golden Jubilee. Do not forget your roots. Thank you, Kardom.
labangke choreographer apansi karchoji panetu chisiglo labangso choreographer. Serlika Rompipi.
Hello, Serlika.
Hello, ma'am.
I like that color on you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to ask you, what kind of husband would you like to have in your future? Looks like the crowd also wants to know.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for asking this question. I appreciate you so much. And I would also like to welcome you to our grandeur celebration of the Golden Jubilee of our Karbi Youth Festival.
Thank you.
According to me, a good and caring husband is the most important. Dear girls, do not go for looks or for the money. The generation we live in, we can see many girls choosing boys who are rich and luxury over the men or the boys who are good in heart. For me, a good husband or a good partner for a lifetime would be someone who would step with me even with the bad days, and who would always step hand in hand with me and would never give up on me. A good husband or a good partner is someone who believes in you and who would trust you even in your bad days, even when you're struggling, even when you have nothing or even a penny. A good husband for me is someone who understands you, who would always and always be behind me and support me. Thank you so much.